All right, guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am installing a seat riser for Bradgetdesigns for the Old Town Sportsman's 120, the non-PDL. These are seat risers. You can get them in a couple of different sizes. You can get them in 1 inch, you can get them in a 1/2 inch, or you can get them in pieces. I've got the 3 or the 2.5 inch. They do come with stainless steel hardware washers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install. This is the seat clip that actually mounts right here. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. And they are solid. I'm going to shake the whole kayak. It's not going anywhere. But anyways, let's get to it. Set this down. So what I like to do, I like to take the hardware, put it in here first. And this is the actual seat mount. Just throw the stuff on the floor. Okay, put that in there. I like to take the short one, and they are directional. See, they've got arrows pointing forwards. So I put the smaller one on first, just because, I don't know, I think that the block's sturdier this way. All right, so the bolts are protruding out of the bottom. And remember, these are brass inserts. These are stainless steel. Brass is a soft metal. Stainless steel is pretty rigid. I like to line the threads up. Just lightly get them started so you don't cross thread them. They're in. And I like to, since we're dealing with plastic is flexible. So I try to tend to torque things down gently and evenly, just to keep from creating extra stress. I'm not the tiniest of people, not like my wife that weighs like 100 pounds. I like double that. And remember, just don't over tighten them. See, just a little snug, and that's all it takes to install them. There we go. And that's it. Down in the description, I will be putting a link to Bradgetdesigns' website. He sells these. They're really reasonably priced and 3D printed. These are the plastic ones, and I know that I'm going to be keeping these on here, and I'm not just trying out different sizes. So he does have wood options that are a little bit less expensive, and he will also exchange them out for the plastic ones. You just got to reach out to them. Really good people, really nice. And he's pretty upfront about things like where on the rear seat risers, you literally have to disconnect this. You have to adjust this to accommodate the length for these. And these are really cool. These clip on to the back of the seat and Velcro down. And that's it. And they're solid as a brick. Set them there. And that's pretty much all you have to do. They come already pre-assembled, bolted up and everything. But anyways, I will put his his contact information in the description. I'll also put my affiliate link for Casking in there as well. And a shout out to Casking. I also, when I put the Velcro down for these, I wiped the plastic down with alcohol or acetone. And then because my experiences in the past, I've had the Velcro actually release. So I put a drop or two of super glue underneath it, and I'll let that sit so it kind of holds it in place. But other than that, they install super simple. And I've also got the underseat tackle box storage that goes underneath. And this raises up the seat by about 3 inches, which it was pretty comfortable before. I had made some wood blocks like this with a step down, and that's why you see the other Velcro here, because I put Velcro on this, and then there was Velcro on this, and then these would sit on the Velcro like that, and it would keep it in balance. These are a lot lighter than this, and they're just as solid, because once you cinch them down with a strap, they're not going anywhere. And I noticed that after about a year, these are squeaking, and I'm really trying to eliminate that noise. And he also makes these scupper hole plugs. They'll still drain, but they'll keep your lures in the boat so they don't fall through the scupper holes and you don't lose them. Guy's got lots of great ideas. He's got stuff for all kinds of kayaks. Old Town, PDL, paddle. I think he's got native in there. I believe there's even some stuff in there for Hobie, Garmin. I believe Lowrance and Hummingbird. He's all got sun visors for. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description, and go hit his page and scrounge around. He's got really great prices compared to some of the other companies out there that are doing 3D printed stuff. All right, guys, have a good one. Tight lines.